your makeup wrong. You are doing your makeup wrong. How am I supposed to do my makeup as an Asian girl? There's so many different Asian makeup styles. My makeup style is the way you should be doing your makeup and you're trying to go for a soft glam. I want to try all the different makeup styles of East and Southeast Asia. Can't do Thai makeup without contact lenses. Oh my god, my eyes are burning. Who cut onions in here? Ooh. Hold on, let me recuperate. When I think of Thai makeup, I know skin, shimmery bronzy eyes, fluffy eyebrows, the cheeks are glowy peachy brown, and so are the lips. First, we're gonna make our skin glowy using the Say Super Glowy Super Gel. Start Glow gave me such good glow. Like, I look like I drank water or something, you know? Speaking of, Thai makeup is truly full glam. This is like what your makeup should be on your wedding day. In very Asian fashion, we are going to lighten our face a little bit. I'm using the Armani Luminous Silk and I'm using it a shade lighter in number 4. I'm already so pale as it is. No, actually in Thailand, everyone there is so nice and bronzed and dark because of the sun. Whenever I get too dark, my mom says I look like dog shit. She actually says "Kuk ja," which is like dog in Vietnamese. Whenever I come back and I'm darker, it's like, oh, you look like. By the way, you really don't need to buy any of the makeup that I'm using. You can just use what you have. All about the technique and how you apply it. I'm using the NYX Bear With Me concealer. If I'm doing my makeup, 9 times out of 10, I'm using this concealer. Have any of you ever been to Thailand? If you haven't been, add it to your bucket list. Never met such kind people. So their main religion there is Buddhism, and I really feel like it shows. And I grew up Buddhist. Kindness that people have there is unmatched to any other country I've ever been to, given I've been to like 2 countries. Next, we're gonna do brows. I really appreciate fluffy brows to bring those babies up. Even if you have like 5 eyebrow hairs, I want those eyebrow hairs to be waving to the sky. I'm using this Maybelline Super Lock Brow Gel in deep brown. This is my favorite brow gel ever. I look like I'm defying gravity with my brows right now. So we're gonna draw in some brow hairs. This is the L'Oreal Faux Brow. Look at this brow pen. I know you've never seen that brow pen before. Draw on actual brow strokes. This is to my girls with 5 eyebrow hairs. Yup. You want the tails to be kind of laid and the fluffiness to really be in the center here. I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer, effortlessly carve it out. I'm using a concealer shade that's closer to my skin tone. In the Western world, we really like doo-doo. You know, for this we like I don't know what that means. Cheeks, you really want to keep them looking peachy and bronzy and glowy. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. Camel Blush. Blush placement is definitely more towards the center. Going to a little bit here to make you look nicer, kinder, you know, all the stuff that my mom calls me. I haven't uploaded a YouTube video in so long. If you didn't know, I've been going hard on short form for like this past few years. I really like watching long form. I'm a long form girly, you know, like it's like we're on FaceTime together right now. I feel like I grew up with a lot of you. Do you have a real girl job yet? Do you have a salary? This Mario Soft Sculpt Skin Enhancer. This to blend in with that blush. Upper cheeks and temples here. Did you follow your parents' dreams of you becoming a doctor? Because I didn't. One thing about us Asians, we love a tall nose. I don't know why, I like my nose. I'm using this Dibs. There's no label on it. I don't know. I'm using this Dibs thingy. Look at this brush that I got on Yes Style. It's like a freaking surgeon's hand. It just sculpts your nose so easily. If you do have a nose job, feel free to completely ignore me right now. I actually really like Asian noses. I think they're so cute. I used to get made fun of a lot for my nose. I used to get asked like,
how can you breathe? Your nose is so flat.
How do you look at yourself in the mirror? You're so ugly. Just kidding. I didn't have the balls to say that, but I wish I did. Do I look like I have a tall nose bridge? No. Okay. So we're going to set our face. I'm using the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Soft Glaring Powder. I like this powder a little bit more when I want my skin to look realistic. Take the powder, lightly tap all over. Keeps the glowiness in our face, so I'm not going hard on the powder. But if you have an oily ass face, please go and powder your face. Like, there's no way. I always have to set my under eyes because there's always a lot more product there. I have to set my T-zone because that's where my makeup breaks up the easiest. So I'm taking the One Size Powder Melt. If your skin looks like your birthday cake, please go and try this. It really does melt all the powders on your face. I'm gonna take this Huda Beauty Roseberry Blush Filter Palette in this color right here to refresh that blush. That's what really brings the color forward. Oh my god, I'm talking like a freaking makeup artist over here. Listen, I don't really know makeup that well, okay? Next, we're gonna do eyes. Eye my eyelids. My favorite eyeshadow palette for this, and I use this for that video too, is the Lunar Beauty Nude Prism Palette. I'm gonna take Vibes. This is going to be your wash of color all over. Take the residue and blend it up towards your brow. Then my eyeshadow brush and that bronzer, the outer corners here. Next is the shimmer.
I think I'm gonna take this one, or this one, or this one, or this one.
I'm gonna take this one. I'll take Sam. I'm just gonna tap this all over. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at my eyes. That same shimmer on your inner corner right here. This is the key between Western makeup and Asian makeup. Asian makeup, they love their shimmers. I'm gonna take So Icy to the inner corner. Wow. I literally have nowhere to go after this. With Asian eyes, we have very hooded eyes, so you want to make sure you're looking into the mirror straight on. You want to bring that shimmery up past your crease because that's what's like the only thing that's going to show. To amp it up a little bit, Tower 28, go pulling Shimmer Stick and Chateau. Edge of the stick on my inner corner to kind of draw and highlight your eye bags. Just took it to the next level. You better be doing this with me. And I better not be doing this alone right now. Like these shades really deepen up the outer corner. For Asian eyes, you can't really go in hard with a crease. You kind of just have to bring dark colors on your outer edges here. If I were to have an open casket, this is the look I'd want. Now we're going to emphasize our eye bags right here. Take my contour color. I'm going to squint. Okay, how I used to squint when I couldn't see the front of my class. This is also how I squint when my astigmatism is really bad. I already naturally have like these little sockets of fat. You want to emphasize those sockets of fat. It actually makes your eyes look a little bit bigger. Now the next step is lining our eyes. Very slightly draw on my upper lash line, only on the outer half. When you draw out your wing, you don't want to go up, though. You want to go more outwards. So I'm taking this really creamy eyeliner from Hong Van Go. I hear everyone saying Hong Van Go. Darker eyeshadow and go over top and also flick out the wing. How is your look looking? Is this helping you? Because if it's not, then what are we doing, you know? Like, why am I here? I'm gonna do lashes. I'm gonna use these lashes I got off TikTok shop. Yep, they got to me. They got to me too, okay? It's not just you. Brand Airy Cute. My friend uses this brand. And I was like, I want those. And I looked at the price. It was like $20. I was like, $20? When did lashes become more than like $5? It was Black Friday. It said, you know,
One-time deal, only Black Friday.
it got to me, okay? And here we are. Look at how pretty these are. These are like slightly spiky. I'm gonna curl my lashes. The Lash Paradise Waterproof from L'Oreal. We're not going for natural cute lashes. We're going for, we have more than 3 lashes. Yeah, definitely wanna do mascara on your lower lashes. Clio Kit Lash, because it doesn't smudge on me. One thing I do recommend is not using strip lashes, to use more clusters. It's gonna look the best. Instead of going on top, you wanna go from underneath. 2 hours later. The lips we're gonna stay in the same peachy pink. I'm using M Cosmetics Soft Spoken. I don't know, it's like a liquid lipstick. Using the color Intuition on my outer edges. And then in the middle, I'm using Petal Huda Beauty Faux Filler Jelly Oil. Fix our hair. I'm gonna change into my outfit. We're going to show you the whole look. Makeup look is done. Outfit is on. Do I look Thai? I feel like I should be going to like a wedding right now. What I'm about to do right now is go downstairs and cook some enchiladas. Hope you enjoyed this video and you did this look with me, because if I did all of that for nothing and you just watched me put on makeup, like what the hell? That's so boring. If you want me to try more looks, like let me know down below what look you want to do next. What long form videos do you want from me? Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment and just like talk to me. I will literally comment back to you. I am on Instagram and TikTok. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.
언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming